Spring is finally here. That means it's time for a fresh start. Whether you're looking to declutter, deep clean, or brighten up your space, here's your ultimate guide to spring cleaning and how to refresh your home this season. Today, we'll cover everything you need to know, from decluttering indoors to sprucing up your outdoor spaces and tackling that one often overlooked task on your spring cleaning checklist, gutter maintenance. Stick around for tips that will help save you time, energy, and even money. Have you noticed how energizing spring cleaning feels? There's a reason for that. It's a tradition rooted in history and biology. Many cultures associate spring with renewal. From clearing soot from winter's oil lamps to cultural traditions of cleaning, it's a practice in starting fresh. Plus, as the days get sunnier and longer, your serotonin levels naturally rise, giving you the boost you need to refresh your home. Now that we know why spring cleaning feels so good, let's dig into how to refresh your home. First up on your spring cleaning checklist is your interiors. Start with a deep clean to hit those easily missed spots you don't clean every week. Start small for maximum impact. Tackle high-impact areas like windows and floors. With each space cleaner, your home will immediately feel brighter and more inviting. Next up, decluttering. Use the popular 3-pile method. Keep, donate, toss. Or try the 6-month rule. If it hasn't been used in 6 months, it might be time to part ways. As you go, don't forget the hidden spaces, like under beds, on top of cabinets, at the back of closets. Clear these areas for breathing room and a refreshed vibe indoors. Now let's head outside. Next on our spring cleaning checklist, move outdoors. A few updates can refresh your home's curb appeal and make your space feel like new. Pressure wash outdoor surfaces. Repaint your front door with a vibrant color and add seasonal flowers to maximize the charm. Finally, don't forget one task that's often skipped but so vital in refreshing your home's safety and appearance: cleaning out your gutters. Gutters are essential to help protect your home from water damage. Clogged gutters can cause water overflow, foundation damage, basement leaks, and even attract pesky pests. If you're wondering where to start, here are some quick tips. First, clear out debris using gloves, a trowel, and a hose. Second, inspect for damage like rust or cracks. And third, ensure your gutters are pitched correctly to drain water effectively. For an easier solution, install gutter guards like LeafFilter. These guards keep leaves and debris out, saving you time on gutter maintenance while helping your gutters work properly year-round. And there you have it. From deep cleaning and decluttering indoors to sprucing up your outdoor spaces, including taking proper care of your gutters, your spring cleaning checklist is complete. Follow our spring cleaning tips and refresh your home for a brighter, safer, more enjoyable season. And for easier gutter maintenance, check out LeafFilter Gutter Guards. Learn more about our expert gutter installation and award-winning LeafFilter Gutter Guards at leafhome.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more home improvement tips like this. Happy spring cleaning, everyone!